I like that bike. That's the Davidson we were looking at the other day.
Yeah.
I heard a Those motherfuckers are awesome. They never catch though.
Oh yeah.
They'll never catch.
Yeah. Here's that. It's a Kia.
What? Oh, that's a Kia?
No, that's not a Kia.
That's a Kia, bro.
That's a Kia.
That's a Kia, bro.
Oh yeah,
Dude,
Forte.
Respect.
Is that a Forte?
Yeah, that's a Kia Forte.
Dude, they're on a fucking come up. Kia is not a fucking come up. Hey, relax, guys.
No shit. We gotta hit the gas that hard.
Is he even here to be here or?
Why not?
Probably not. He's probably has to go to the.
Usually when you see people like that, they're just trying to be hard asses.
Yeah.
When I used to go downtown a lot when I was a complete fuckboy, every time we would fucking post up, you'd always get a couple idiots in fucking janky ass cars. That's not janky whatsoever. And they just start driving in circles being fucking retards.
And they're the reasons why cops. Then they're the reason why the cops show up.
That's the Furious, bro. Oh, this is so well. Oh, but you need another hood. Oh my god.
Both of them.
No, you need another car. That's a lot of Honda cancer hood.
Oh man.
It's just a lot of rust.
Dude was just recording on his GoPro.
I don't know why I like these. I really like them, yeah. I don't know why. It's just like, well, a legit fucking SER. They're pretty lethal.
Yeah, they are.
Mine was the fucking Maxima. 2000 Maxima. Geo. I like this too. Dude, I blew a clutch line racing. That's why I screwed up the chains in the first place. I beat him. It was a turboed Golf GTI.
Worth it.
Beat him.
Yeah,
That's
this
all.
guy has no idea where he's going.
I also beat up 911 twin turbo Porsche too. An older style though. But, hey. Whatever.
My biggest kill, believe it or not, is when my my probe used to be boosted. I took this when like 08 when the new Camaros came out. That's my biggest kill. And a fucking probe. Then I blew it up.
There are so many issues with probes though.
There is a lot. I don't know why I haven't gotten rid of it. Well, this is what it used to look like way back
I was
when.
gonna buy one. I was looking at that and I was looking at the town.
Well, my buddy has this here. He's got a black one over there. That's what it used to. My phone's about to die.
Is that red and black hood?
Yeah, red and black hood. Badass fucking from dude. I picked. Well, my guy he's got a 6-second fucking GNX.
Damn.
He's like, you know what? Well, it used to be 8 seconds. This year he's aiming for 6s. I need a bigger intercooler. You want my old one? It's a big ass grading front mount. How much you want for it? $100. Did you get that motherfucker? For fucking $1,500 fucking intercooler? Like I legit had to cut off fucking 3 inches off my fucking bumper.
Just to get it in there.
Yep. And I had to fucking zip tie it in place.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
Hey, if it works.
It worked amazing.
She's
A little too low. My shit just fucking blew the fuck up. That's a clean ass fucking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I respect that. Bone stock too.
That's a nice truck. Never mind. Tires are too small.
He ain't modded. He's pulling with that motherfucker.
Yeah.
That's what you never underestimate a fucking diesel. You know, tune's all they need.
Here comes that lightning.
Like, there's no point in going off.
Me, if I were to get a truck out, as bad as it sounds, I want the Raptor. As bad as it sounds.
I drove one.
I heard
And they are fucking. They're fucking monsters. Oh, 370.
They're just a lot of work though if something breaks on them.
Big black board. Brand new car too.
Yeah.
What's up? I don't think they're part of it.
It's a Z71 though. Z71.
Oh, that's perfect.
I bet you'll still blow the doors off a couple of these cars.